And with that, we come to a close to the Vadodara chapter of Women's Premier League 2025. Hello, Namaste, Kem Chu Vadodara. I am Ayushi Dholakia and welcome to the sixth match of Women's Premier League 2025. Delhi Capitals are coming off an 8-wicket loss against RCB, whereas UP Warriors faced a setback against Gujarat Giants in their season's debut. But आज की इनकी opening रफ्तार से लग रहा है they are here to make a statement. आप लास्ट 6 दिनों से तो ये मैचेस के बारे में सुन रहे हैं. So I think it's equally important for you to know कि ये games हो कहाँ रही है. These 6 matches have been played at the Kotambi Stadium, also known as the Baroda Cricket Association Stadium. Kiran Navgiri just scored a scintillating half century against just 24 balls. But I have to tell you something really important. This is a state-of-an-art stadium which was recently inaugurated in December 2024 and has been hosting high-profile matches, starting with the women's ODI. Being a Barodian, this is a proud moment that we have witnessed more than 25,000 people coming in and watching the sport. This shows our love, our passion towards the game, not just for men's cricket but also women's cricket. में कुछ नया ये देखने मिल रहा है कि काफी स्ट्रेट ड्राइव बाउंड्रीज हो रही है. Its start of UP Warriors has suddenly come to halt. This pitch is a batting paradise, and yet we have been experiencing a declining score spell in the previous games, and today it is finally broken with UP Warriors putting up a decent score of 167 runs. The Delhi Capitals are off to a flyer, 32 runs in just 3 overs at the loss of no wicket. Same bowler, same fielder, same shot, but natija alag has costed the first wicket to Capitals. Well, I had to run back home, but you know what time it is. So here are my key takeaways from today's match. Delhi Capitals get a winning after a heavy defeat in the last game by 6 wickets. Both the teams had a similar kind of head start in their respective innings. I think Capitals benefited with few missed catches and missed fielding. Sophie Eccleston ended up giving the most runs, 31 runs with the loss of only 1 wicket. Same pattern in the 6 matches speaks volumes about the pitch. Every team that has won the toss and chose to bowl first has ended up winning this game. Calls for some serious changes. These 6 days, I noticed one thing. While the stands were filled with passionate fans, they were still wearing jerseys of Indian male cricketers to a women's match. Vadodara, you have been a fantastic host. The audience showed up, the energy was high, but imagine, we as an entire country can do so much more. Let's support, celebrate, and recognize our female athletes. Because who knows, maybe our stands will be filled with Smriti Mandhana, Harmanpreet Kaur, Ashley Gardner, Shefali Verma, Shikha Pandey, and many more to come. Thank you for watching and being a part of this journey. See you, good night.